Hello YouTube. Well, last month I ordered the Loot Crate New Year's mystery box. I said, what the hell, right? It's only 15 bucks and wanted to try this company out. So I have no idea what's in it. I received it a couple of days ago, as you can see here. So I'm going to open it right now. See what's inside. I did notice that the mailman retaped it, so I hope there's nothing missing in here. If there is, let somebody know in the comments below. Ooh. Okay. First is the shirt. It says there, this is Stirred. Nice white t-shirt. Kind of small. Maybe I'm wrong about this, but this looks like a woman's shirt. Let me know in the comments below. Look at the sleeve. Looks way too small for me. Obviously James Bond. Next is a half-scale skull from Terminator Genisys. Now I think I saw this in another unboxing. Maybe I'm wrong. So I'm guessing this mystery box is for getting rid of stuff from last year. Next we have a Assassin's Creed Unity. A velvet bag. And a coin inside. Yeah, I think I saw this one in an unboxing too. So I'm guessing this is stuff to get rid of from last year. Next item. A Zelda sweatband. Also saw this in another unboxing from last year. And the next item is another velvet bag. It's got some dices in it. I have no idea what this is. Let me know in the comments below. Probably for some game. And an Avengers decal sticker. Nice. And that's it. That's all that was in the box. It was 15 bucks. This will come in handy to put somewhere. And if you like this unboxing, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and give me a thumbs up. See you guys later.